Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you what's inside the box of this Spider 22 pellet attachment for the Weber kettle. I have here the anniversary edition, 7 years. I already removed the ash pan over here, so it's nice and clean. And now we're just gonna do a full unboxing and show you everything that's inside the box. And then we're gonna do install and first cook, hopefully. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, let's open the box. It's an early present gift from my wife from Christmas. All right, I don't even know. It's very well packed. I don't even know where to start. So I guess I found a spot right there. All right, just gonna do like this. And they put so much tape in here. All right. There we go. I'm gonna get this other side as well. There we go. Nice. Alright, let's see what's inside. Hopefully everything is here and nothing damaged. Got this nice styrofoam. I guess this is the drip pan and the deflector. Let's get those books out of here. Alright. Plastic on the side. There's the deflector plate right here. Okay, I'm gonna set this down here. What's next? Let's see how I take this out of the box. Alright, what else? Also, this one came with a case. The case is a Christmas special. It's $200 and comes with the case. Cover. Alright. Set that one aside. What else we got here? Let's see if I can there we go. Alright, easy, put it down. I don't want to make a mess in here. It's already a mess. I don't want to make it even worse. Alright, that one right there. Alright, let's see. It's hard to do it with just by yourself. Let's see. There we go. More plastics. Alright, let me set this aside right here. I guess this is where the flames go. And then we got this right here. What else? Got some other bolts and screws right there. Alright, and so that's inside the boxes. That's all I found. So let me clean up this and I'll be right back. Alright, I've got the box cleaned up and everything a little bit. So let's see what's inside this right here. Alright, that goes to trash. We got a temperature probe right here. I'm gonna set this aside. We got the holder for the grate for the probe as well. We got two nuts right here. Tightening nuts, I guess it's called, for the side. For that, I'm gonna put this aside and open this one as well. Trash right there, and we got this for the grease. So, yeah, right there. All right. I'm not sure if it comes with a scoop for the pellets, but I don't have one. I saw people online saying that it comes with one measuring cup, but that's fine. So all right, let's see how we get this set up. And it's got some like dust in here or something. That's fine, it looks brand new. I'm gonna set this in here. This is where the flame comes up. I'm gonna it's got this right there. All right. So the cable is on this side with the controller, like right there. Alrighty, and here was where you put your pellets. Looks like they changed the design here a little bit. Nice. It's very smooth right here. Perfect. All right, let's see how we put this together. and those, they go up and down. Okay. All right, I guess I got this figured out. So this one goes right there, like that, and then we get this whole thing. I guess I'm gonna grab it by the handle and just slide it down like so, and I'm gonna try to like pry this open a little bit. There we go. And on this side as well. There we go. And now I just need to get those knobs. Oh no, I got the other one. And put it like as high as possible, like so. Looks like they changed this from the videos I saw on YouTube, so that's good. That's a good thing. It's pretty heavy. All right, that side done. Let's get this side too. It goes right in. I have no issues. Let's see. Oh, I spoke too soon. Don't wanna like cross-thread it or something. There we go. Gonna go as high as possible. Close it. All right. There's the unit right here completed. Now the only thing left is to attach it to the grill. Let's see how I'm gonna do this, because let me put this down. Mine got the lid holder over here, so let's see how this is gonna work. I also got this. Oh man, I'm just gonna put it on the other side, I guess. Not like that. So make sure I have this opens like that. Well, I opened it too much. All right, so I guess I'm just gonna take it like this. I'm gonna line up. I have the P vents, but that's fine. I'm gonna line up this with the flame right there. So I'm gonna do like this. Let's see. I guess this is it. Like that, and now I'm gonna lower the whole thing. Now a little. Oops, too much. It's harder with the master touch because it's like 2 inches taller. So let's see. Oh, please. Alright, so I had the issue because I forgot to put those in, but I just put those in right now. I'm gonna tie it down like this. As you can see, this is fully in right there, and the grill is in the air right now a little bit, so I'm just gonna lower it from here. There we go. I think right there's good. Just gonna lock it, and it takes a good 10 minutes, especially if you have a little help, but definitely can do it by yourself. It's nice and secured. Look at that. Yep, it's on. And if it's the master touch easy, as you can see, you can still have this on right there. Perfect. All right, now just put the drip pan right there. Let's see how I do this. So I got it here. I got it right here. They say to use this small hole from here, this hole right there, and I guess it goes like that. Let me see, like that, and just put your thumb on it, and then lower it to one of those other vents. Like, let's see. Right there, got it, and it should be right here. Yep, I see it right there. I guess this is it right there. And this, when you have fat and grease dripping down, It's gonna go through this hole right here, and they're gonna drip on this leg and drop down on a trash, on a drip can right there. But this is it. Now we're just gonna do start up and see what we get. All right, everything is in, so let's open this hopper. Nice. It's very sturdy and it's got a nice gasket. I got some pellets. I bought it from Walmart. All natural barbecue hardwood pellets, hickory blend. Let's put some in here for the startup. That should do it for now. Oops. Alright, I got this in. It's kind of dark outside. Let's close it. One end. This looks like very high quality, and looks like you can adjust this even more right there. So perfect. Oops, I guess I put it too tight. Alright, there we go. Let's tighten up. Let's see what we got over here. It says off right now, so there we go. It says error 1. Or I'm gonna figure this out and be right back. Oh, I got this figured up. So I turned it on and I installed this probe right here, and I set it to 450, and it's currently 70 right now. I got all the vents open, as you can see, the probe right here. I was expecting my probes from the other thermometers I have will fit here, but they don't. But this one looks like super high quality, so it's very thick and looks super good. So yeah, right there. And it's not loud. I mean, it's a little bit loud, but it's not that bad. I thought it's gonna be louder than that, and it's pretty good. Now I hear the pellets dropping down to the auger over there, so and I smell it. But yeah, so far it's good. And yep, that's it for today. I guess I'm gonna do another video with the first cook, because I'm hungry now and I don't have time for a camera. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.